We will learn and practice on 1, on 2, slow and fast. The move on 1 and on 2 is the same. Be sure to practice both. Let's learn slide 7. We'll start basic on 1, slow. We'll practice slide 7 together with cross 7. Let's go, starting with cross 7 with the left. Cross 7 with the left. Now, big step back and slide. Now, cross 7 with the right. And again, big step back and slide. Basic. And make sure to go over cross 7 in the link below. Let's go again with the left. 1, 2, 3, step to the back. 5, 7. Now with the right. 1, 2, 3, step to the back. 5, 7. Basic. Notice that we don't use the 4, 6, and 8. Let's go again with the left. 1, 2, 3, to the back. 5, 7. Now with the right. Get ready for full speed. Basic. Let's go. 1. And let's go. Cross 7 and slide 7. Cross 7 and slide 7. Basic. Let's go again with the left. 1, 5, 1, 5. Basic. Give me one more. Let's go. 1, 1. Now let's do it again. Slow. Basic. Yeah. The more you practice, the better you get. So make sure to go through all practice. Let's go again with the left. Cross 7 with the left and slide 7. Step to the back and slide. Now with the right. Cross 7 with the right and slide 7. Step to the back and slide. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Let's go again with the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Basic. And you know what? Let's call cross 7 and slide 7. Slide 7 extended. Let's go. Cross 7 with the left and slide 7, which is slide 7 extended. Now with the right. Get ready for full speed. Basic. Let's go. And let's go. 1, 5, 1, 5. Basic. Let's go again. Slide 7 extended. Yeah. Cross 7 and slide 7. Now with the right. Cross 7, slide 7. Basic. Give me one more. Let's go. 1, 5, 1. Now let's do it on 2. Basic is different, but the move is exactly the same. Cross 7 and then slide 7. Just start with your right. Basic on 2 slow. And let's start with the right. Cross 7 with the right. And now slide 7 with the left. Step to the back and slide. Now with the left. Cross 7 with the left. Step to the back and slide. Basic. You see, it is exactly the same on 1 and on 2. Just start with the right. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3. Step to the back. 5, 7. With the left. 1, 2, 3. Big step to the back. 5, 7. Basic. And notice again that we don't use the 4, 6, and 8. Let's go again with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. With the left. And get ready for full speed with 1 basic. Let's go. Basic on 2. And let's go. Cross 7 and slide 7. Now with the left. Cross 7 and slide 7. Basic. Let's go again. Slide 7 extended. Cross 7 and slide 7. Yeah. Doing great. Basic. Give me one more. Let's go. 1, 5, 1, 5. Now let's do it again. Slow. Basic. Yeah. Practice makes progress. And if you do it enough, it makes permanent. So let's go again with the right. Cross 7 with the right. and slide 7. Step to the back and slide. Now with the left. Cross 7 with the left and slide 7. Step to the back and slide. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Let's go one more time with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Now with the left. 1, 2, 3. Step to the back. 5, 7. Basic. And remember, we are practicing cross 7 and slide 7, which is slide 7 extended. Let's go with the right. Cross 7 and slide 7, which is slide 7 extended. Now with the left. Yeah, and get ready, full speed, basic, go. 1. Let's go, slide 7 extended. And basic. Let's go again, slide 7 extended, go. Cross 7 with the right and slide 7. Cross 7 and slide 7, basic. And give me one more, let's go. 1. 1. Now let's practice face to face. I'll flip the screen, continue basic on 2 slow, yeah. And let's go for 3 in a row with the right. Let's go, cross 7 with the right and slide 7. Now with the left. Remember, no basic. So let's go for the second time with the right. 1, 5. Now with the left. Cross 7 with the left and slide 7, which is slide 7 extended. Yeah. With the left and get ready to full speed. Basic. Let's go. And 3 in a row with the right. 1, 5. 1, 5. No basic. Second time. Doing great. Yeah. Third time. Now let's do it all on 1. Basic on 1 slow. And let's go for 3 in a row, starting with the left. Let's go with the left. Cross 7 with the left. Yeah, and slide 7. Now with the right. Cross 7 with the right and slide 7. Remember, no basic. Second time. Looking good. Now with the right. Last time slow. With the right, getting ready for, full speed. Basic, let's go. And 3 in a row with the left. 1, 5. 1, 5. No basic. Second time. And last time. Well done, and thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation, and space. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, repetition, repetition, repetition is the mother of skill. So keep practicing and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day: push with your hands and use your hips to emphasize the slide.